Hey guys, welcome back to another Sunday reset video. We're not resetting today, but I'm actually making breakfast for these kids, and I was super excited to record because my baby was here helping me, and I just wanted to show you guys, some of the meals or the preparation of breakfast that I'll make on a weekend. This morning was on a Saturday morning, and most of the times we'll make porridge or we'll go ahead and do something else. I decided to make them something that they really do enjoy on the Saturday morning, because I had plans for the Sunday, which means I was gonna get porridge on the Sunday and then make dinner. All right, so hence why we're making these croissants and the waffles. This was so good, by the way. Anyway, I just came off the road. I literally went to get fish at the fish market early before the kids were up. I was extremely tired from the night before because we had a TikTok live party for my husband's birthday. So we were celebrating, went to bed like minutes after 4. I woke up because I decided to go get the fish before they wake up, because I knew I wanted to make them breakfast and also record it so you guys could see. But anyway, I'm back home. They're up and always be on their phone as soon as they wake up on the weekends. So I decided to start cooking, making the breakfast. We're doing egg, waffles, and croissant, like I said. And I know they're gonna be super excited when they see this food. What I did was I made them tea first. So they were drinking hot chocolate, and then with breakfast we're just gonna give them some apple juice, or yeah, it was apple juice. So let's get into it. Alright guys, it's about time for me to get this croissant on the thing right here. I was struggling. Can you believe that when Janae made this? Because she can make the croissant. It's super easy. Any kid that knows how to work the oven or anything can make it. But tell me why I was struggling. Why was I struggling? They came out good anyway. I think trying to open the tin, it was incorrect, so everything was all messy. But anyway, we're gonna get it together. You guys will see. We're basically just making the croissant right here, trying to fold them as neat as possible. I think I was getting them the wrong way first, and then I redo it, so you guys will see. Now that everything is on the container, I decided to add 3 waffles to it, and then we're gonna do the egg. I take the eye out the egg so it doesn't throughout the place, taste rough. And sometimes these kids be touching themselves and touching the furniture, and once you take the eye out, you will not taste or smell the rawness from the egg. Now, as you guys can see, Olivia decided that she wanted to help mommy, and I made her do it. So I was here helping her to just basically break the egg. Look how she's smiling. She's super helpful, by the way. The kids, when there's other kids in the house or in the home, they want to do everything that they see the older kids doing, and then they think that, oh, we're on the same level. No, baby girl, you're not. You're a baby. But that's what we're doing. I think I only made 2 eggs. Can somebody tell me why these eggs have water in them? I don't understand what's going on. I'm not used to egg with, like, basically there's water added to it. If I want water, I'll add it so it have a little bit more fluff and we can stretch it. But why when I break the egg, it's like there's water? I don't understand what's going on. I was low-key being lazy, and I I made it into one big egg, and then I divided it in 3 pieces. Olivia didn't want any egg. I didn't make anything for me or Christine because we do not need to eat, okay? It was just for the kids, but yeah, they're gonna enjoy it. They did enjoy their breakfast. Now the croissants are done. Look, you see, it looks perfect. Even though I was not getting it right. I think I used 2 tins of croissant, and yeah, they came out perfect, and they were so good. They were so good. Okay, I did go ahead and eat one. So guys, while I was here sharing their breakfast, I was like, this is too much food. Luckily we had enough croissant because they wanted more. Gave Olivia one, she didn't eat it. There were 3 leave because I ate 2 because they were so good. And these kids, they wanted more, and I even added fruits on the table for them, but it was really good. I just added some agave over this, and instead of using the pancake syrup, I used the agave, which I'll probably stop using very soon also. But yeah, now it's time for them to go and eat. Their hair is looking crazy because it is wash day on a Saturday. I tell you, my weekends is not relaxing because with their hair, I have to get their hair done so that every month I don't have it to deal with, because every week I have to do their hair. It's too much. Now we're gonna give them some apple juice in these cups because they don't drink a lot. So I buy these smaller cups in Walmart where they can drink juice, whether in the morning or in the evening. So that's what we're doing, just pouring some apple juice for them. Clearly breakfast was delicious because they're enjoying it, and I'm happy, you know. I'm gonna make the fruits. They were supposed to eat the fruits first, but the food was finished, so we're still gonna give them some fruit to eat, which I'm doing grapes and strawberries this morning. Actually Sunday, which is today that I'm doing the voiceover, I gave them tangerine, grapes and strawberry. So I added something else this morning when I gave them the porridge. So yeah, just making it in one plate because they need to know how to share. So this is how I do it. Put it in one plate so they know how to take from it. One might eat less, one might eat more. Let them learn to share. And so I do it like this. Done eating, now it's time to wash these dishes. I'm not the one to leave dishes in the sink. I have to clean up the table, the countertop, wash these dishes. It was just a few because they eat from paper plates, so we didn't have much to do. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm doing. These plastic cups, I use one every day. In the morning they'll use it, and then in the evening I'll wash them out and they'll reuse them throughout the day to either drink water from the pipe or more juice, or sometimes these kids like to eat ice, so hence why we just reuse them for the day. But yeah, just washing up these small dishes, which is not a lot because I use paper plate. Guys, I am so addicted to washing my sink. After making breakfast, I have to wash the kids' hair, and yes, this is where I have to wash their hair until we completely do over the washroom where I'll add a sink. That's one thing that wasn't adding in our home. That's a problem for me. The sink and there's three things with the house: that the pantry is too small, the sink that we don't have to wash hair or anything, clean shoes and stuff like that, and the closet. I wanted him and her closet. Those are the three things, but we still make them work because I don't complain. It's a blessing. Okay, just cleaning up the kitchen, and I think I have laundry doing too, but you know, not every week we're gonna be doing the same thing as resetting for the week to come. So came back, I was also prepping the fish because that's what we cooked today, which is Sunday. Fish. I am coming off chicken. I don't want no chicken. I just can't bear to eat it. Okay, now it's time to wash their hair. I did Kyra one already because I was moving so fast. Now I'm doing Amelia, and then I'll leave Janae for last because most of the times Janae will start her hair first. Because fun fact, it's not even fun fact, it's like stiff face fact, she's scared of her hair. She's the only child that I have problems with washing their hair, not even baby Olivia. You guys are gonna see in the video. She said, oh, the water. Oh my gosh, she's just dramatic. So doing Amelia's hair, and then I'm gonna do Janae one, clean the sink again, and that's it for me. And then I have the day to prep everything, and then I'm just gonna go take a shower in the night and go to bed. I told y'all that Janae was dramatic, right? Look at her. She's saying the water. She feel like, oh, the water, I'm gonna drown. Girl, drown where? Come on now. But yeah, she's scared of her hair, so most of the times I'll let her start. I was not in the that mood today. I wanted to just get everything done and just prep the hair because I also went to Sam's in the evening to buy groceries, so today I didn't have to leave out. I woke up super late, guys, this morning because I was extremely tired. This is the end of the video. I'm about to go shower and put Olivia to bed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.